ingredients for our quick and easy red bean stew. We have some red beans here. I'm going to use a can of whole peeled plum tomatoes. These are really good, 100% natural. We have some pimentos. We have an onion, some ground garlic. We'll have some kosher salt and coarse ground black pepper to taste. We have some extra virgin olive oil and sweet cream unsalted butter. And from the garden, we have some fresh Trinidad celery and also some fresh thyme. We have everything prepped and ready to go. I have some extra virgin olive oil and I'm melting my sweet cream unsalted butter. Now I'm going to add my chopped onions. And then I'm going to add my fresh ground garlic. I'm going to saute the onions and garlic for about a minute or so, and then I'm going to add my pimentos. Smells fantastic. Now I'm adding my red beans, and I'm going to use all the liquid that's in the can as well. Right now I have been doing everything on high heat. I'm going to bring this to a boil, and then I'm going to add our tomatoes. Now that I've added my tomatoes, what I'm going to do is I'm going to just roughly chop them up with the spoon. And this doesn't have to be, you know, any kind of precise chopping up here. But I do like to have my tomatoes in nice chunks because I do like to have that texture, you know, with the red beans as well. Time for a little taste. Okay, so I'm gonna add a little bit of salt and pepper to taste, and also some brown sugar. That's going to give it a nice little sweetness too. You know, one of the things I love about quick cooks, when you're in a crunch for time and you want something delicious to eat, this is a great alternative, and you can do it quickly. Basically put everything in the pot and just let it cook up. Taste for your flavors and adjust as you need to, and you're ready to go. Because we're cooking on high heat, you'll want to stir pretty regularly to prevent the red beans from sticking to the bottom of the pot. Looking good. Now that I've added everything to the pot, what I'm going to do is just take the back of my spoon and kind of mash some of my red beans up, and this is going to thicken your sauce. So that'll be nice, like if you're eating it with some rice, to have it a little more on the thicker side. And I just lowered the heat to like a medium low. I just want it to like kind of simmer for the last few minutes. In all, I would say that we're going to be cooking this probably about 15 minutes or so. And another quick and easy dish from Shail's Kitchen. It's been about 15 minutes now, and see, I like this consistency. It's nice, more on the thicker side rather than runny side. Everything looks beautiful. So I think I can take this off the heat now.